Coffee. Galing, pwede nang pang-ABS event to.
Gold diamonds.
Very shiny, shimmering. Very pure, very whitey. Go na!
Excited! Relaction! Tayo mamaya nito!
Maybe it's fate that we lose control. In circles around we go. We become who we ought to know. We just gotta let it go. We just gotta let it go. So I'm coming home to you. You're all I need, the very air I breathe. You.
Pinanghawakan ninyo ang maging matatag, maging matyaga, at lingid sa ating kaalaman na sa inyong pagsasama may mga naging bunga, naroon panatilihin ang katatagan, katibayan ng loob sa ngalan ng pagmamahal. At tama kayo, sa 14 years na yon, ang una ng ibabaw, love. Pero hindi ninyo pinanatili sa love. Nilagyan ninyo at isinandal ninyo sa inyong pananampalataya. Na matapos ang love, hindi kita doon matatapos. Laki pa natin ng pananampalataya.
I've waited so long for this day. A day I once thought might never come. But as it says in Ecclesiastes chapter 3 verse 11, He has made everything beautiful in its time. Truly, God's plan for us are perfect and beautiful.
Mahal, wag kang mag-alala, tanda naman.
Hi Mel, since the day that I saw you until now, my feelings for you is still the same. No changes but more and more love.
Lang sana ay babalik nung unang.
I've learned that true love is not about dramatic highs and lows, but about steady, enduring support and happiness. Our love has become that golden light, a beacon of warmth, clarity, and endless joy. You have shown me that love can heal, transform, and illuminate even the darkest of times.
This is it, kuya. Ha? Wala nang atrasan to. Araw na pinakahihintay mo ng kay tagal-tagal. Congrats in advance, kuya. Basta wala namang problema, kuya. Nandito lang ako. Yeah. Congrats, kuya.
Congrats, thank you.
Memory ako man ay wala, nakatatak na siya tadhana.
Congratulations, ate. For Amy and Kikoy, so proud kasi finally, ito yung dream mo na ikakasal ka sa church. And congratulations, I love you both. I'm so happy. Ayun.
Hi, Mel. congratulations. So, after all, ito na, kakasal ka na talaga. And enjoy your day. Ikaw ang pinakamaganda ngayong araw na to. And congratulations.
Madami man nagdaan, problema and challenges for us. Pinaglabanan natin at hindi tayo nagpatalo at sumuko. Thank you for the love, sa pagtitiis sa akin, lalo na sa mga naging kalokohan ko sa iyo from the past years of our relationship.
Tunog ng gitara at himig ng kanta, kumupas man ng pinigay.
Mark Eric, I vow to love you every day. I promise to support you in all your dreams and to stand by you in times of joy and hardship. I will honor and respect you. I will continue to grow with you and nurturing the love we share. I vow to cherish this golden light we have found together. I look forward to a lifetime of sunlight with you, embracing every moment with the same hope and optimism that daylight inspires. Lastly, thank you for never letting go of me. Thank you for your love that knows no bounds. My love, now and forever, you are my home.
Story nating dalawa, ikaw lang mahal. Laman ng tula, tunog ng gitara at himig ng kanta.
Thank you kasi ginising mo ako, binuo mo yung ako. I vow to support you, push you, inspire you, and above all love you for the better or worse in sickness and health, for richer or poorer, as long as we both shall live. I love you with my whole heart, with passion that can't be expressed in words. Only in kisses, glances, and years of adventure by your side. I love you so much, man.
Laman ng tula.